spicy meat rice or Perumchoru or Unchoru. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the one-pot recipes and one of the most delicious of the ancient recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lamb rice recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes. It is an ancient traditional recipe noted and written down in around 200 BC in the Sangam literature. We are going to make Perumchoru or Unchoru, a recipe of meat rice made from a recipe written in 200 BC. We have taken around 300 to 400 grams of lamb meat or mutton. Ingredients are around 20 grams of coriander seeds, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves or sweet neem leaves, around 15 to 20 to 25 black pepper seeds, around 25 grams of ginger, 3 pods of cardamom, around 5 grams of cinnamon sticks, and a spoon of cumin seeds. No chili or tomato or any tubers are used in this recipe, as those came to this area only after Columbus discovered America. We've taken around 1 cup of white small aromatic rice, washed thoroughly. Put in the cumin seeds and the cinnamon seeds and the cardamom and the coriander seeds. And the black pepper seeds. Into the pan. Put in the curry leaves. Salt thoroughly. And roast them for 5 minutes on low heat. This is basically a spicy aromatic meat rice, which is a precursor of biryani, made from a simple recipe used in Kerala in the 200 BC, written in the Sangam literature. Put in the dry roasted mixture into the grinder. Grinder. Put in salt to taste onto the meat. And put in 3 spoons of the powdered mixture. that we made earlier. Heating the pepper, cumin, and the other ingredients. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in around 100 ml of curd. Into the mixture. Mix all the ingredients together. And let the meat marinate for an hour. The ginger and some more curry leaves and cloves, and grind well. Half of the ground ginger curry leaf mixture into the marinated meat. Mix and let the mixture marinate for a further 15 to 20 minutes. Now heat the pan and pour in around 50 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let it get heated. Put in the cumin seeds and the rest of the cinnamon sticks and the cardamom powder. Salt and let it fry. Put in the curry leaves. Put in the ginger curry leaf paste and the powdered spices that we made earlier. Salt and mix thoroughly. And keep on sauteing until the aroma from the mixture comes out of the mixture. Now put in the marinated meat with the marinade into the mixture. and mix thoroughly. And let it cook for 10 minutes. Keep on sauteing. Saute thoroughly for around 10 to 15 minutes so that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated into the meat. 10 minutes, close and cook for 30 to 40 minutes in high heat. Pour in a cup of water. Close. Pour in another 2 cups. And let the mixture boil. The rice into the mixture. Wash and soak rice. Mix. And let this mixture cook for 15 minutes. Now the Perumchoru or Unchoru is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Perumchoru or Unchoru or spicy meat rice, an ancient recipe dated around 200 BC. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the one-pot recipes and one of the traditional recipes of Kerala. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.